Welcome back to Veduraya Multi-Channel. With spices keep the doctors away. What a proud history of 2500 years before the Christ. I think that our right to talk about spices is not questionable. At that time you were a strong and a powerful nation. Our ancestors have left us enough proof. They built skyscraping Dagobas like Mirsavatia, Isarumunia, Ruangvali, etc., not second to pyramids in Egypt. Huge tanks amounting to more than 30,000, some of them are still a mystery for the Europeans. How they built a rock fortress at Sigiriya. Now it has become the 8th world wonder. At the time of our people were strong like giants. Even the rural villages were strong and we were healthy. 3 strong nations armed with new weapons tried to conquer our country, mainly because of our valuable spices. Finally, due to our own fault, we had to surrender to the Englishmen. Remember, it is only after signing a truce. They sucked the blood of our nation in the most disreputable ways. They broke our backbone, our strength. Number of spices found in Sri Lanka were of medicinal value. All these things rested on our spices. How rural villagers came to know about the things. Today these things are decided in labs. But during those days, neither the Europeans nor the Easterners had laboratories. Our rural villagers had practical knowledge to decide the nutritional and the medicinal value separately. Now let us take them one by one. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is grown in Sri Lanka, ranks first in the world. It is a low-grown tree. After cutting the tree, you have to clean the bark. Then with a tiny knife-like things, they remove the bark. Then they dry it in the hot sun. After that, they bundle them up and prepare for export. Cinnamon oil is also produced in Sri Lanka. For that they use only the leaves of the tree. Both oil and cinnamon is used in cold countries to maintain the temperature. Its medicinal value is unfathomable. This was the main reason for the invasion of our country by foreign nation. Curry leaves. We call it karvincha. It is being added to all our curries. This is either grown in our homes or picked up from the jungle. It increases nutritional value, medicinal value. Its flavor increases our appetite. Pepper, it's a kind of seed. It has to be cultivated. It has tiny seeds. When ripe, they are red in color. Then they pluck them and dry them in the sun. We can use this as a substitute for chilies. Cumin. It's a brown seed with huge fragrance. Before use, you have to roast and get blended. This is used in making some sweets. Be careful when you use it. If you exceed the limit, you will never go for it. Coriander. The most intensively used spice in our homes. Before use, it has to be turned into powder. This retains the maximum medicinal value when compared with other spices. Turmeric. It's yellow in color. A strong Disinfectant. Early morning our business places and the ground around is sprayed with turmeric mixed with water. Turmeric contains an ingredient called curcumin. In it we find maximum amount of ingredients to act against diseases. Cardamom, an expensive spice generally grown in wet zone, used both in savory and sweet meals. Sri Lanka ranks first among the few countries which produce cardamom. Nutmeg and mace. Nutmeg is a kind of fruit. When you remove the bark, you find the seed. Around the seed we find a very thin cover around. This thin cover is called mace. Mace added flavor to all kinds of foods. Nutmeg seeds too can be scraped and taken for use. These too consist of medicinal value. Ginger. The patty roots are taken for use. It has culinary and medicinal value. It's a popular beverage, good for health. When boiled with little coriander added, you can get an instant cure for cold and fever. If you cover up your head with a cloth that falls down up to your chest, inhale the steam of the boiling water containing coriander and ginger. You can experience a great relief in short time. If necessary, just try and see that you are sure to be convinced. Garlic, a spice which is commonly used in our kitchens. It has a weight producer. If you can take some cloves of garlic for a few days, you can see how valuable it is. Its use was known before the beginning of our history. To purify your blood, take garlic cooked with curries. It resists infections. To go for full details of garlic will require many more pages. This is a divine gift to the mankind to protect them from any kind of diseases. Chili. There are a number of chilies. Some of them are different in color and size. Some chilies are very hot and smarty. We generally use red chili. Red chili, when matured, becomes red. Those red chilies are sun-dried before they are pounded to make powder for use in curries. Poor man's famous diet called polsambol is made by pounding chilies with scraped coconut. For that they add salt and onions and moldy fish. When the pounding ends, they add little bit lime to it. With rice, bread or any kind of edible yams, this will provide a tasty diet to the poor man in our country. Fenugreek. The seed of fenugreek is yellowish in color. It adds flavor and fragrance to curries. Be careful, it has a irresistible fragrance. These seeds are full of medicinal value. Goroka. Goroka, its medicinal value came into light only very recently. Grow in wet zone jungles. Bark of the fruit is separated and dried in the hot sun. In ancient days, this was mainly used as a preservative. When used with salt, we can preserve fish for any long time. How the people interest is drawn to cultivate goroka. Saffron, a spring blooming flower with a fleshy cones and a yellow, purple or white flower. This is an intense spice. It is mixed with warm water or warm milk before use. Mustard. Mustard seeds are generally brown in color. Its flavor gets released when crushed and in oil has medicinal value. Indians use these mustard added curries. Pandanus leaves. This is a helpful in liver diseases. Lemongrass. There is a fatty portion close to the root. That portion is cut and separated before pounding. Those are the most popular curry leaves used in Sri Lanka. In addition to their sweet smell, they have a tasty flavor. All these leaves are of medicinal value. People grow them in their home gardens. They know their value is greater when picked up fresh.